This is a few minutes review of Alexa.com. It's a pretty good website for traffic ranking information and real-time news and articles. As you can see here in the home page, you can take a look at the hot topics right now on the internet through the information submitted or generated from users using the Alexa toolbar. You can also see the hot pages on the internet right now, the top 10 hot pages on the internet right now, depending also on the Alexa toolbar information. In addition to that, you can go and take a look at. Of course, you can download the Alexa toolbar to be part of um, generating the information for other users. It's supported. The Alexa toolbar is supported on Firefox and Internet Explorer. It's not supported in Chrome, Opera, or any mobile uh, browser up until now, at least. You can also take a look at site information. So, for example, if you go to google.com, you can see that google.com is the #1 site visited in the world according to the Alexa information generated again by the Alexa toolbar. You can also go more in depth in analyzing the website by seeing that google.com was online since September 15, 1997, and that's very important when you're buying something, for example, and you want to know if this website is new, if it's a spam, etc. It also tells you how many websites are linking into this website. It tells you reviews from people. You can get how many people does Google reach, page views, how much time do people spend on the site, the search percentage of the people searching when using the Alexa toolbar. You can also see search analytics, uh, reading the top queries people reach Google.com through, which is funny because probably they're using Google.com for that. You can see what kind of audience uh, uh, see Google.com and from where. So 36% from the United States, for example, 1.7 from Russia. This is kind of not really accurate information, but it's close enough. Also, age, education, gender, if they have children or not, and where do they browse Google.com from. So, for example, relative to other websites, Google is browsed from schools more, and people that have a graduate school degree browse Google more than other websites, for example. Um, you can also see contact info, reviews for the site, related links, and the click stream. Where do people come from, and where do people go to when visiting Google.com? One more thing you would look at is using Alexa is you can see the top websites on the internet by country, by category, or in general. So, for example, Google.com is #1, Facebook is #2, YouTube is #3, etc. You can see by country. So, for example, if you go to by country and look for the United States, um, you can see that Google.com is #1, um, and for example, Twitter is #12, LinkedIn is 17, ESPN is 20, and so on. You can see the top 1,000. By category, we can go and see, for example, for games, Party Poker apparently is #1 in the games category. You have to notice that many websites are not categorized. Um, that's it for Alexa. It's a pretty good website. The information are not 100% accurate, but they're useful if you're just looking to understand the data from this website relative to other websites. That's it. Thank you for watching. A few minutes review.